Find the length of the segment indicated. Ooh, this looks like the Devil Wears Prada logo. Those of you metalheads, I played a show with Devil Wears Prada when I was in a band back then. That's right, I was in a band. This voice does not just get its own, forget it. All right, so this is what I need to do. Let's not overthink it. X represents a radius. What is this guy right here? A radius. So why don't we call you X? Okay, because they're the same thing. Why am I moving that X over there? Well, because I am given two pieces of information about this guy, which is clearly a right triangle. And if I'm trying to find what appears to be the longest side of a right triangle and I give you the two shorter sides, why don't I just use Pythagorean theorem to do that? Which is what I'm going to do. So here's Pythagorean theorem. I can call U C, and it doesn't matter which one's A or B as long as the longest side is C. So I have 8.3 squared plus 4.4 squared is going to equal X squared. Now let's do a little bit of math. 8.3 squared is 68.89, according to my calculator. 4.4 squared, 19.36. My calculator, I'm using Siri, my calculator thought I just did 4 squared, which is a fun game. Now I need to add these two together. 68.89 plus 19.36 is going to be 88.25. That equals X squared. In order to get X all by itself, I have to square root both sides. And remember, usually when I square root both sides, you're thinking positive or negative thoughts, not when you're dealing with length. The square root of 88.25 is going to be 9.3941 according to Siri. Do I have any units to worry about? Nope. So all I have to do is just say X equals that guy right there. It doesn't tell me where to round it, so I'm keeping all four of those numbers. I'd like to try to see you stop me. I'd like to see you try and stop me. I give up. Like and subscribe.